Hi there. Today we're going to discuss what to do if an NVMe disk is not detected when a replacement is required. It's likely you'll see this error shown when replacing a new NVMe disk via the VxRail plugin. If you do see this error, confirm the disk isn't being seen by opening a new tab and launch the vCenter UI in a different browser and check the status of the ESXi host. Under Storage Devices, the UI will display all the disks that your system can physically see. If there is one less disk listed on the screen than is fitted in the machine, then the newly inserted disk is not being detected. NVMe disks are considered as a field replaceable unit and require an engineer to fit them, as the ESXi host won't automatically pick up a newly inserted disk. If you have this issue, please contact us via our technical support channels for support and instructions that are needed to work around this issue. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.